Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I'll be unboxing and testing a Nintendo Wii that I got for free. So if I didn't take this Wii, it was actually going to be thrown out. So somebody just asked me if I wanted it, and I said, yeah, sure, I'll take it. So I'm not sure of the condition. It is in its original box, which is pretty cool, but apparently it might not work, and apparently the condition of it isn't too great. But I just took it anyway, you know, if it's free, you might as well just get it. So the box is actually in pretty good condition, so I'm kind of pleased about that. And I've never had one of these black Wii Sports Resort Wiis before, so that's pretty cool. And I also got all of the games with it as well, so I'll just show you some games I got right here. So I got Wii Sports Resort. I've never actually played this, believe it or not. I haven't actually played many Wii games, but yeah, I got this one. Got Wii Sports. Everyone has played this. So yeah, I'm pretty sure all the discs are in there as well. I got a game called Red Steel. Now that looks like a kind of cool like Japanese game or Chinese game, I'm not too sure, but I think the discs are in all of them. Yep. Wii Party. I think this game was quite bad when it originally came out, but there you go. Just Dance Free, not really interested. Definitely not interested in wrestling. Table tennis. It's made by Rockstar apparently. And then Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Winter Games. This is probably the best game in here. I haven't actually checked to see if this one's in there as well. So yeah, pretty cool. Not too of a bad game selection considering I didn't pay anything for it. So now let's take a look at the Wii, you know, the Wii itself. So let's just unbox this now. I don't think, yeah, it's just like that. It hasn't got like the original cardboard inside or anything like that. So, oh, looks like there's a few controllers in there. So there's a black controller here, kind of dirty. I'll definitely clean that up. It's got the Wii remote, Wii Motion Plus attached to it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's just put these to the side. Just check if it's got batteries in actually. Oh man, that's corroded as hell. Oh god. I might make a video on fixing that actually. Not sure if I can fix it. That looks pretty bad to be honest. So we've got another one here in one of these disgusting sleeves which I hate. Yeah, let me just take this out. I really hate these sleeves, they're just horrible. How do you even get it off? I honestly don't care if this rips off. Oh man, I hate these things so much. So yeah, we've got another controller. This is stuck to it. What the hell? Oh right, locks on. And this is one corroded as well. Oh, it's got batteries in it. That's never a good sign. If you ever buy something and it's got batteries in it, take them out straight away. But this one actually looks like it's in good condition. So yeah, this one's alright. It's just the other one is really corroded. Hold on. Oh, this is a complete mess up now. I'm just going to put this to the side. Screw that. Right, so next we have got some instructions telling you how to clean your Wii. The person that owned this obviously never used these. Next we have got another one of these horrible things. Get rid of that. Customer services. Oh, it's just one of the leaflets it comes with. Oh, Club Nintendo, right. On my last Nintendo Wii video, somebody got one of these. Here's another one. No, I'm just kidding. Club Nintendo doesn't exist. Manual. Yeah, I'm just going to throw the manuals up away because they're just boring, aren't they? More manuals. And now we're on to... Why is there so many of these things? There's like 3 of them so far. Oh yeah, this from the last video. This is actually for the stand. I know what it is now. So yeah. Oh, here's the Wii itself. Right, so there's a big scratch right here. Very dusty. Not too bad at the back. Not too bad at the bottom either. It's got a splodge of paint on the front and no SD card. So yeah, oh that's bad. So yeah, pretty bad scratches I have to admit on this Wii. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. but I guess it's free, so I'll probably just homebrew it and stuff and see if it actually works. I can redo all the homebrew videos, like the ones that had updates and stuff. So it comes with a piece of cardboard, that's always nice, and then it comes with the stand. Oh, there's actually quite a lot of stuff in here. There's a nunchuck in here, black one. Because I get a lot of people asking me on like the homebrew videos, does the black Wii and red Wii and stuff like that work? And yeah, they all work the same. We've got a, oh, that's a really dodgy sensor bar, it's like rattling. Oh no, everything else is tangled up. And yeah, that's all the cables and stuff, which is just a complete mess. So yeah. Yeah, let's just take a look at it so far. This is what it's looking like. Just a complete mess. So yeah, if I paid for this, I probably would have been quite annoyed. But seeing as I got it for free, you know, it doesn't really matter too much. Now I'll probably just turn it on and see if the thing actually works. Okay guys, so the moment of truth, does it work? I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there you go, it works. I've got to sync up my controller as well because I'm not using those black ones, they just look kind of disgusting. I'll either clean them up or just throw them away, to be honest. But let's just sync this up. So here we are, the Wii works. It's actually got like a load of apps installed. I don't think you can get these anymore. Amazon and Love, is Love Film still a thing? I used to remember that ages ago. Anyway, we've got Netflix. I wonder if they've signed in. I thought this might be homebrewed, but it's not. It doesn't have an SD card in either. Anyway guys, that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.